Hi there. My name is Aanya Gupta and this is my very own channel. So yeah, currently the channel's name is Aanya Gupta. I haven't thought the channel's name yet. I think I'm just gonna keep it Aanya Gupta. But yeah, this is my own channel. I love watching YouTube videos. It's like one of my favorite things, and I just love watching YouTube videos. Just love watching YouTube videos. And yeah, so I thought, why don't I make my own channel and upload my own videos? And yeah, so here it is. And yeah, this is my own channel, so feel free to subscribe this channel and share this video, like this video of course. And basically my channel is all gonna be about like DIYs, drawings, arts and crafts, and other stuffs also, like dances, poems, learning also, even apps. I'm gonna like review different kind of apps, like not like games and stuff like that, and yeah, even dancing and yeah, stuff like that. Am I missing anything? Challenges, vlogs, and yeah, other stuff like that, reviews, and even toys, I guess, and a little bit toy videos as well. But yeah, all the girlish stuff, even hacks, so even hacks. And yeah, feel free to subscribe my channel, and yeah, so just subscribe and make sure you like this video and give it a big thumbs up. I wanted to leave the introductory video just like that because I wanted to show some skills like drawings and DIYs. So yeah, first I'm going to be showing you some of my basic drawings, not all of them, but some. So this is one. I forgot the person's name, but this is one. The other one. And then I also have more. Let me show it to you guys. Just a minute. Then I have this one. Yeah, I have a lot of drawings in my phone. I'm not going to be showing you every single one, because we have Gandhiji. That was my first like portrait sketch, and we have more. Let me showing you. I made Mother Teresa. Yeah, and many more actually. This is one of my dot paintings that I did, and then more. Some little kids, yeah. And stuff like that. And this girl, and Little Mermaid, and this is my favorite, kawaii. This is my favorite. Look, we have a unicorn cupcake, some spaghetti, an ice cream, a hot dog, and some ice cones at the end. I'm sorry, this is not good. We have more. Yeah, so I don't want to show you all of my drawings. So here are my drawings, and in a second you're gonna see all the DIYs. So now you're gonna be seeing not all, just 5 DIYs. 4 are notebooks and 1 is a pen. Other than school supplies, I do other DIYs as well, like phone cases and stuff like that. So stay tuned for my other videos and make sure to subscribe. So I've made this watermelon notebook, mini notebook. I think it's super cute and adorable. And of course with that I had to make a watermelon bookmark. So yeah, I think this is super cute and adorable. I made this notebook. I've also made this mini notebook. This is a towel one. Yes, a towel one. So it's this towel one. Yeah, I made this one. I've also made this one. I think this is super cute. Yeah, I made that one. And this is my favorite notebook, and this took me like so much of time. It's a unicorn notebook. I mean, who does not love unicorns? I do. I do love unicorns. Comment down below if you think you love unicorns. I love unicorns. Just a little bit like that, but yeah, I think it's super cute. All the glitter stuff, the pom-poms. And the final DIY I'm going to be showing you is this pen. It's this really cute fluffy pen. So these, as you can see, basically you saw what my main channel is going to be like, but other stuff also, like vlogs and stuff like that, what I said before. So yeah, make sure you subscribe. Bye.